Hello, my name is Nick Wood from South Pier Marine in Jersey, and today we're listing this Rio 800 cabin fish. Uniquely, she's got a pair of Yanmar 170 diesels on shafts, which will make her a nice little seaboat. Very economical, easy to handle as well, being twin-engined. She's 2005, she's got a lovely big deck area for fishing. You've got a decent sized aft platform for jumping on and off, swimming from, swim ladder, decent gate to go through into the cockpit. We'll step on board and have a look. First, you'll notice it's easy to get to the diesel filler, which is there. You've got a water filler down there as well. I'll step on board using this step here. Over the far side, you've got a freshwater shower, and then you've got your swim ladder that goes over the back. As I say, nice, decent sized cockpit for fishing from. Got rod holders down the side here, and then actually rod holders on top of the gunnel for when you're out actually fishing. You've got a gas locker over there, and then you've got a little fishing storage locker for your lures and bits and bobs. Down under here, we've got engines. As I say, a pair of Yanmars on shafts, serviced annually by a local Yanmar dealer. Going aft, we've got huge storage locker. There's the fuel tank aft there, and you've got your silencers for the engines either side. That's what the grey tubular containers are. There's a spare anchor and chain down in the starboard side down there, and you can see the back of the gearboxes coming out the engines with the shafts coming out. Going aft, decent soundproofing underneath the engine hatch, but great space to be storing dinghies and things like that. There is a little fly bridge, or I say a fly bridge, a ladder to go up towards the fly deck. There's no controls up there, but it's a little place to either store stuff or have a lie down. Going inside, you're met with a galley on the starboard side with storage underneath and a fridge. The helm seat flips forwards to produce a bit of work surface space, single gas hob, and your sink. There's a fridge in there, that's run off 12 volts. And you've got a little freezer compartment at the top of that. You can isolate that on and off with the switch top right. Got a little drawer for bits and bobs. Flip the helm seat back over. Backrest up, met with a nicely laid out helm. So we've got Simrad electronics on this boat, so you've got a Simrad VHF, you've got a Simrad 7-inch touchscreen plotter at the top there. That's also got AIS built into it with a digital yacht AIT 5000. So that's transceiver, so you can see other vessels and they can see you. You've also got a compass up the top there on the top of the dashboard. Then you've got all the Yanmar engine instruments. You've also got down here, you've got a Simrad autopilot. Very handy for when you're on passage to go fishing and you just want to hold that course. And you've got all your switch gear for 12 volts and a 12 volt battery voltage gauge. There's a fire extinguisher down there by the floor as well. Going forward, you've got a heads compartment. So it's got a manual toilet, wash hand basin, and then storage underneath. Decent sized heads though. And then forward of that, you've got a double berth. This area here can be removed, so you can use it either as another seating area, or that can be lifted up for a table. Just to the port side of the bed, you've got hanging locker, storage, and then running down the port side, you've got this L-shaped bench seat. Great for when you're going along, nice and comfy. It's got a shore power system on board, so there's 13 amp sockets there if you want to run a heater, etc. And there's also storage under the floor, bits and bobs. Sliding patio doors, and you've got lights up on either side of the cabin roof there. Going back outside and go around the foredeck. You can see this roof here is flat, but there's got a lip at the back as well, so you could put some cushions up here. That's the access from the flybridge ladder. Going forward, electric 12-volt windlass at the front. That's bringing the anchor up, and then there's anchor and warp and chain in the anchor locker down in here. And that completes the walk around on this Rio 800. Any questions, please do get in touch. www.southpiermarine.co.uk or 01534 711 010. Thank you very much.